of stuff. This is Grape, and it's been sitting in this box for a minute, so I've definitely got to hydrate it. It looks a little sad. So today is the day that I'm going to put it in. We have carpenter bees all over the place. It's that time of the year. So, you know, you look forward to this time of the year, but so do they. So, on with the show. All right. It is a Grape Reliance Pink Seedless grape. And great reviews on, I'll put the name of where I got this from. Party in My Zone. I pray that it makes it because it is had such good reviews, and I would hate to see it die. So I'm going to put it in the hole right away. I had my coral honeysuckle on this trellis, but I would rather have my grapevine here. So I'm going to give it a little water. Believe it or not, it's still a little moist. As you can see, feet are coming down, and I'm being asked lots and lots of questions at this point. So I got a little distracted. I just would have had the video camera where you could actually see me putting the stuff in the ground, but I was still being asked lots of questions from my dear husband as I was gardening. So yeah, what I'm doing is I'm putting in worm castings, I'm putting in some coffee grounds, and I'm adding some organic compost to the soil as well. And I am just backfilling this hole, and I'm getting ready to water as well. So it is in there really good. I'm happy that I finally got it planted, and I will be giving you all updates as I continue to watch this plant grow and thrive. So I'm going to just continue to keep you posted. So I now have the grapevine planted on this trellis, or close to this trellis, so that it can climb up. And I will hopefully one day have grapes just hanging, and it will be beautiful foliage as well. Hey guys, today is July 19th, 2024, and I'm gonna do a little update on my grapevine. This is a Reliance grapevine, and I put it in April, and this is what it's looking like. I've been training it up this trellis, and I have also been spraying it. I've heard that aphids and stuff like that like these grapevines. And I've been using neem oil and water, and it has really been helping. It is nice and healthy. It is almost at the top, but I love the foliage, even though, of course, I mean, I just put it in this year, I'm not really expecting any grapes right now. If I got some, it would be great, but I'm really not expecting that this year. But in the meantime, I wanted foliage that looked decent, that looked pretty good. And I've also learned how to propagate. I'm not going to do that right now, but I'm going to do that and definitely give grapevines away to friends and family. But yeah, I just wanted to give an update on the grapevine and the progress that I'm seeing with it. So today is September the 20th, 2024. Would you look at that? This is my grapevine. It is going over to the other side of the trellis. I am very excited about that. I did not expect this so soon. I am doing this before and after, when I put it in to the time I collect grapes. And yeah, I just wanted to share, keep my updates going. Look at this stalk here. It's amazing. Started off this little bitty plant, and now look at it. Awesome. Today is May the 9th, and this is an update on my grapevine. It is looking very, very good. I learned how to prune it. Anyway, this is the first year that this has been in. I've been keeping track, and I said I was going to videotape it all the way until there is fruit. Now let me get a better picture. Do you see the fruit? Yes, it's little fruit, that's for sure. But I believe that's how they all have to start. There are many of those on this vine. And I'm just happy to see that it's nice and healthy. I'm glad that it's trailing. When I first put it up, it started leafing out. Over the winter, of course, it lost all of its leaves. And now the leaves have come back and it looks nice and healthy. And so I just wanted to add this to my videos regarding the grapevine. This is a Reliance pink seedless, and I got it from Gurney's. At first my grapes had little bitty balls, sort of like this right here. And now they're looking like this. Now this is my first year. Maybe that's the reason I wasn't expecting grapes or anything this year. I'm believing all grapes start off looking like this. Today is June 2nd. This is Rbthegardennanny. I was in the garden working on some things, and I just noticed looks like grapes are forming. Look at those little bitty things. But what I love about it is they're doing exactly what I want them to do. They're hanging from this trellis, and they are looking fabulous. Let me turn around. Now, as you can see, I've been giving you updates on this thing. I'm constantly pruning off these longer shoots that's just going away from the vine. I may clip that right up in there. But I am so excited. I was not expecting grapes this year. I have grapes producing, hanging just like I wanted it to do, hanging from this trellis. I did not do anything special, as you can see with this video. I planted this thing with some compost and some worm castings, and I threw in some coffee grounds, and that was it. And I planted it from that little plant that I received from Gurney's. But yeah, let me go back over this way and look at this thing on the trellis. It's amazing. It's exactly what I wanted it to do. At the bottom I put some in substance hostas because I thought it would give it a little shade with this grapevine, and it does. I'm excited. Had to share. Like I said, this is June 2nd, and this is an update on my grapevine. Grapes are doing well. I'm going to snip off some of these like this and keep some bigger ones. I'm learning how to prune, so hey guys, today is June 15th, Sunday, and I am going to fertilize my grapes. I have not done that since I put it in the ground, and I've been hearing about fertilizing grapes. So I do have some Polytone, and let's check out the grapes. They are looking fantastic. Now, this is the first year. I'm not sure if these grapes are going to be edible the first year. I've heard people say that you need to take them down and throw them away and all that jazz, and I would hate to do that. But because they look so good, they look really, really good. So I'm just gonna chance it. I'm gonna fertilize it real good. I mean, I got bunches and bunches and bunches of grapes, and I would hate to throw these all away, but supposedly the second year is supposed to be the best year, but I'm gonna see what happens. I have my little container out here of Polytone, and Polytone in there, and so I'm gonna get started fertilizing it. I am noticing there are a lot of little ones. Some of them are spotted. Like I said, I'm gonna just try it out and see what happens. I'm gonna go from the base here, a handful of this. Scratch it in. That stuff stinks. That is it. That's all I'm gonna do. There are those that are spotted. I guess because it's supposed to be pink seedless, but I really have been enjoying them. It was really, really nice having them for my garden party. They were the star of the garden.